Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hampton Inn Suites Reno-Sparks. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Featuring 3-star accommodations, Hampton Inn Suites Reno-Sparks is located in Reno, 3.1 miles from Sparks Heritage Museum and 6.2 miles from Reno-Sparks Livestock Events Center. This 3-star hotel offers a 24-hour front desk and dry cleaning services. The hotel features family rooms. At the hotel, rooms contain a desk, complete with a private bathroom equipped with a bath or shower and a hairdryer. Guest rooms at Hampton Inn Suites Reno-Sparks have a flat-screen TV and air conditioning, and selected rooms come with a seating area. At the accommodation, each room has bed linen and towels. An American breakfast is available daily at Hampton Inn Suites Reno-Sparks. Guests can use the business center, work out at the gym or relax in the snack bar. National Automobile Museum is 6.8 miles from the hotel, while National Bowling Stadium is 6.8 miles away. The nearest airport is Reno-Tahoe International Airport, 4.3 miles from Hampton Inn Suites Reno-Sparks. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.